The SybronEndo EndoTouch handpiece comes with a charging base consisting of the base unit itself and the AC cord to plug into the wall. The on-off switch is housed on the right side of the base. The unit must be turned on in order to charge the handpiece. If the power is on and the charging base is turned on, the power light should be illuminated. Important: anytime the handpiece is removed from the base or when the handpiece is completely charged, the base unit should be switched to the off position. In order to charge the unit, place the handpiece into the charging base. Once correctly placed, the charge light on the base and the battery light on the handpiece will be illuminated. The EndoTouch handpiece comes with a push-button contra angle. Remove the contra angle from the box and place it into the motor base. The contra angle can be inserted into the base in any position. To turn the unit on, press down on the middle power button located at the bottom of the faceplate. Hold the button down for 2 seconds or until the numbers on the faceplate are illuminated. The numbers on the left side of the faceplate in the gray section indicate the 5 different torque limits. The torque limits allow the rotary file to move freely until each torque limit is reached. Once the torque limit is reached, the motor will reverse for 1/2 second and then continue in forward motion. Please consult your manual for the specific torque limit values associated with the numbers 1 through 5. These numbers are only active when the torque switch is on. The torque switch is on when the amber light that is connected to the T is illuminated. The torque control can be turned on and off by pressing the T button. The torque value can be changed by pressing the T button several times until the desired torque limit is reached. There is also a manual reverse function that can be activated by pressing the reverse or REV button. Once active, the amber light will be illuminated. Pressing this switch when the power is on will rotate the motor in the reverse direction. Repressing the switch will return the rotation to forward motion. There are 9 different speeds available on the EndoTouch handpiece. The gray numbers on the right side of the faceplate indicate the endodontic RPMs associated with the 16:1 gear ratio handpiece. The speed, or RPM, can be selected by pressing the power button quickly. Each time the power button is pressed, the light will advance. When 2 lights are illuminated simultaneously, it indicates the rotation speed is between the 2 values. Please consult your manual for specific speeds associated with each light. Once the desired speed is chosen, the light display will default back to the torque level that was previously set. This return to default will be indicated by the T or torque lamp illuminating. If the torque control feature is turned off, then the light display will indicate the speed, or RPM. In order to place and remove a rotary file from the handpiece, depress the push button on the back of the head. This will allow easy placement and removal of the latch-type instrument. Pressing the on-off switch while the power is on rotates the motor handpiece, and repressing the switch stops the handpiece. Pressing and holding the switch for approximately 1 second or longer rotates the motor handpiece, and the rotation will immediately be stopped upon release. The battery light is illuminated when the battery charger is connected and flashes when the battery voltage is low. The unit uses 2 AAA rechargeable batteries. If it becomes necessary to change the batteries, remove the rubber cover from the battery cover plate with a thin flathead screwdriver. This will expose the Phillips head screw, which must be unscrewed to access the batteries. Remove the battery cover plate, remove the 2 old batteries, and replace with 2 fresh batteries according to the polarity marking in the battery box. Replace the battery cover plate, tighten the screw, and replace the rubber cover. If the torque light and the first torque setting light are flashing, the unit is in power save mode after being out of use for more than 1 minute. Press any button to remedy this issue. If any other lights are flashing, please consult your manual under the Operation Panel Display and Troubleshooting sections. Once the procedure is complete, remove file and discard. Remove contra angle for autoclaving or steam sterilization. Replace the handpiece onto the charging base and turn unit to the on position. Remember to always turn the charging base off when the handpiece is removed or when the charge is complete. Both the handpiece and the charging base may be wiped down using a Cava wipe from Metrix. For any other questions or issues related to the SybronEndo EndoTouch, please consult your manual or call SybronEndo at 1-800-346-3636.